Hello, let me show you how to get iPhone ringtone on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So in order to get the iPhone ringtone, we will need to download an app that allows us to set an iPhone ringtone. So in this case, we need to search for an app. You can just simply enter iPhone ringtone in the search field, and you should be able to find multiple different apps that technically can let you download a ringtone. I used this one over here, iPhone ringtone original 2024, so I'm gonna show you an example how to get the iPhone ringtone based on that app. So once you have it, we want to open it. We don't have to allow notifications over here. And now we need to find the ringtone. So in this case, I'm gonna go to iPhone 14 ringtones. Over here, we have a list of various different ringtones. We can tap on this play button in order to listen how the ringtone sounds like. If you like it, then of course we can tap on it. And then we can press set as a ringtone, and then we need to set it as a color ringtone. Now in this case, we need to allow modifying system settings, so let's do this and let's go back. And most of the time you need to tap on it again in order to see the information that the ringtone has been set successfully. And just to be sure, we can go to the settings now. In the settings, let's go to sound and vibration. And then over here in the ringtone, we want to make sure that our new ringtone has been set. If not, because I can already tell it has not been changed. So we need to select the ringtone, then go to choose local ringtones, and then go to audio files. And you should be able to find those MP3 files with a big number, essentially. You can recognize which one is the newest by the date. I think they are sorted by the date and time. So you should be able to select the most recent one and then tap OK. And then choose apply on the right side, and then you can either set it for SIM 1 or SIM 2 if you use 2 SIM cards. Or of course you can do this twice and set for another SIM card as well. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!